So hey guys, today we will be installing aftermarket horn in my TVS Jupiter. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So to install the horns, first we will have to remove its number plates. So after removing the number plates, we will have to remove these two boards. Then you will have to remove the 4 screws at the back side. So let's remove it. So this is the horn which comes with stock. So first you will have to unplug these two wires. It will come off easily. Then you have to loosen that nut. So you just need to rotate it. So after removing, so this is the stock horn, so which is completely rusted. So we will be installing this aftermarket horn, which we got for 150 rupees. So this is its condition. So it won't rust that easily. So we'll install this one. So installing is very easy. You have to tighten that nut very hard so that it won't come off easily. So after tightening it up, just plug in those two wires. You can plug it in any ways. There is no negative and positive. So now let's try its sound. So that's how to install the aftermarket horns. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.